The saying morning shows the day must be familiar to you. The ideal way to start the day is to have a good morning, and having a glass of a refreshing beverage can help. So, we recommend making a wise decision and incorporating a healthy drink into your daily routine to start the day off right. Don't know which beverages to rely on for a good start? We are here to help. Here is a list of 10 morning drinks for health that you can try to start your day on a healthy note. Stay tuned to parshealthhtv. Number 10. Cinnamon and honey. First thing in the morning, sip on a glass of honey and cinnamon beverage. You can start by adding 2 spoons of honey and a pinch of cinnamon to a glass of water. It is a great way to start the day because it is light and energizing. There's no doubt that many people think this is the ideal morning beverage. Number 9. Green tea lassi. You've got to be familiar with lassi. A green tea lassi is simply a combination of yogurt lassi and green tea, though. To create your nutritious smoothie, combine the 2 ingredients well. Have it for breakfast. You should have it with your morning meal. The smoothie's texture will delight your taste buds while simultaneously hydrating you right away. We promise that the best breakfast beverage could be green tea lassis. Number 8. Lemon juice. A glass of lemon juice will naturally detoxify the body, and you can also use it to replace tea or coffee with a glass of water and lemon juice. Making it is very simple. Simply add a lemon slice to some water and drink it. You can use lukewarm water and, for flavor, some honey. But stick with the basic lemon and water combination for the best results. Number 7. Green tea with cinnamon. Green tea has a lot of advantages. You can rely on green tea to help with digestive issues and stomach disorders. Green tea is a healthy morning beverage that you can enjoy. Here's an alternative if you don't like green tea. Enjoy a tasty and healthy beverage by sprinkling a little cinnamon into a cup of hot green tea. Number 6. Smoothies with fruit. You can always blend some fresh fruits like bananas and berries with yogurt to make a smooth and delicious smoothie. You could also simply combine your favorite fruits. When it's finished, pour it into a tall glass and prepare to enjoy something delectable and utterly healthy. Your morning will start off with plenty of energy thanks to the nutrition boost from these fruits and yogurt. Therefore, if you're looking for a morning beverage to energize your body, we recommend this one. Once you've tried it, you'll understand why we say it's great. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff in upcoming videos. Number 5. Coconut water. One of the best morning beverages, if not the best, is coconut water. It is very healthy. So, the next time you feel like drinking something tasty yet healthy in the morning, you know what to drink. Let's not forget how delicious and refreshing coconut water is. In fact, you can consume it at any time to instantly hydrate your body, not just in the morning, as an energy drink. Just make sure the coconut water is natural and fresh. And there's no need to include any additional ingredients. Have some pure coconut water. Have a 250 to 500 milliliters glass of coconut water first thing in the morning. To get all of the benefits, stick with fresh coconut water. Number 4. Mint and cucumber water. Getting rid of toxins in your body is a fancy way to start the day. Doesn't it sound good? And to achieve that, include cucumber mint water in your healthy morning routine. This drink can be consumed in the morning to cool your body off, especially in the summer, thanks to the refreshing combination of cucumber and mint. Number 3. Aloe vera juice. If so, or even if you don't, try aloe vera juice and discover why so many people regard it as the best juice to consume in the morning. When you drink it first thing in the morning, your body will instantly regenerate, and you'll be ready to tackle the day. Additionally, aloe juice can be extremely beneficial for people with skin issues. Aloe vera juice and omelette juice could be combined, Then 4 to 5 teaspoons should be added to a glass of water. If finding it fresh poses a challenge, you could also buy an aloe vera and omelette juice mixture already prepared. Number 2. Sattu drink. There are some mornings when you don't feel like eating much. Your body yearns for something energizing and light. Glam flower drink might be your best bet on those mornings. Your stomach will remain satisfied for a while, and it is refreshing. Simply combine a glass of water, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sattu, a little salt, and a few drops of lemon in it. You can include finely chopped onions and green chilies to slightly spice up the beverage. Try it out and see if you're not impressed. Number 1. Pomegranate tea. After making pomegranate juice, stir in a half cup of chilled green tea. Although it's not necessary, add the chia seeds and stir. It's time for your energizing pomegranate tea, which is obviously healthy since it's made with green tea and fruits. This is delicious in addition to being healthy. Have a cup of pomegranate tea a few mornings, and you'll see that it starts to stick in your memory. In the morning, avoid these. Being that we haven't had any food or water all night, we are in a fasted state when we wake up. At this point, our gut bacteria start to awaken as well. Who will win the day, good or evil? Bad bacteria are promoted by processed, sugary foods. Additionally, they teach your body to crave that particular fuel source more. This is what causes midday sugar cravings. Coffee is another beverage to avoid first thing in the morning, despite how delicious it is. You become dehydrated, and it is very acidic. Similar to dumping acid on a town before it has a chance to prepare. Instead, set the tone for your day by providing your body what it requires. Hydration. Immune support. Healthy bacteria. Take action right away now because you know several healthy drink options. Add your preferred beverage from the preceding list to your healthy morning routine. Drinking these beverages for a few weeks can be sufficient to feel the advantages. Having said that, to reap the greatest benefit, you must maintain consistency. Healthy drinks with a high nutrient content can boost your body's immune system and help you recover from a variety of diseases. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. Hope you have a wonderful day.